Well, I have two soft ones. This one needs to be washed.
My nose is
You can change it. This is all these are all the noses I brought, unfortunately. To search your own clown is actually a search for yourself, because you use the material of yourself, your emotions, your fears, your fragilities, your needs and desires. Those are what you build your clown on. It's very different than any other style because you're not playing a role, you're actually yourself. So that's there can be no mistake, but it's also like getting naked, completely naked in front of everyone, because you're showing actually you, which is very difficult for actors. But once they do that, they're able to approach any style of work because they're very, very in touch with what their makeup is. They can press the button of anger, they can press the button of sadness. They know where it's coming from, and it's very organic, it's very authentic work. That's what opens up the actors so much, is the fact that they're looking for the public to give them value, because actually clowns don't exist except for the public. You can't play clown with a fourth wall, for example. Only in very special circumstances would it ever happen. So clown is actually looking to the public to validate him and to give him a reason to be.
Svi blokovi, sve rupe, sve nelagode se vide. Nevjerojatan pedagog, glumački, koji stvari vidi, zatim stvari dijagnosticira, kaže ih na jedan lijep način, dakle ne kaže na način koji zatvara, nego kaže na način koji otvara i koji te potiče da radiš dalje. I mislim da bi mi iskustvo rada s njom bilo kada i bilo gdje meni ko glumcu strašno koristilo. Jer ja mislim da je glumac ko glina. Mislim, ako vlažiš tu glinu i ako se ta glina može oblikovati, onda se ti glumac u funkciji, glumac živ.
Ma ne, ti pjevaš, jel? To je iz onog...
Immediate change. Immediate. something wrong.
Ne znam, teško je postići to da pokažeš svoje emocije, da nađeš svoju unutrašnju smiješnu stranu ličnosti.
Namik, donesi mi kapu.
Pusti je meni je rekao.
Himself in impossible situations. Because he waits for situation. And that's what it's about. It's about waiting for situation.
Postoje fantastični glumci koji nikad nisu klovnovi, ali ne postoji nijedan klovan koji nije fantastičan glumac. Tako da meni se toliko ovo dopada, užasno mi znači glumački i ona je vrlo dobar, odličan pedagog i ume baš onako naći šta tebi kao glumcu treba i na čemu treba da radiš. I dobro, ne samo kao glumac, nego prosto kao čovek desiš, jer je najteže uraditi nešto što si ti i otkriti samog sebe u najlepšem i najgorim i najčešće ovde najglupljem.
The deeper you go into your clown, the more you will find your personal conflicts. You know, and when I find a conflict in you, I grab it and I say, work that, because that's what we're working on, you know. Clown doesn't need conflict in the scene, because he is conflict. He is conflict. He walks on stage and he's 5,000 things are happening to him. He is conflict.
Tiše, molim vas. Tiše. Tiše. Ja režiram. Šta?